that center console. It's coming out. And I'll show you how. And you can see that, right? It's right there too. Let's go work. Part of which I would suggest doing, this pops off. Pop, pop, pop. And here you go. As far as other side goes, same thing. I just pop, 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 and that little thing is a guide that goes right in that little white thing right there. You see that? Now, I'm starting to see this. Open this guy up, and there's 4 bolts right there underneath this guy. Piece of felt. So let's get these guys out, and let's see what else we have to remove, because this, I bet you, pops up as well. And we're going to move the shifter, because that's also probably going to be in our way. We'll see. And of course, everything is black. You probably can't see that, can you? Now do you see it? See that little cotter pin thing? Do not lose that, because that is crucial to having this thing stay on. You see? You could probably use a paper clip if you do lose it. Set it aside in a safe place. There you go. Now, let's make sure this is the right way of doing it. And let's pull on this and see what we're up against. 15 minutes. And that's what's holding you up. So this shifter does have to come off. Okay. And we have 10 mil right there. That just would not give. So we got to pull this guy out and see what all the fuss is about, because this was fussy and did not want to play nice. So that's how you get it out. Clip, 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 clip. And this goes back. See, all snaps. So let's pull this out. Look at this. After all that, bastard. Let's see what else is holding this up. Looks like something on the outside. Well, there's that. Now let's continue the journey, because we still have to put this back, because this wasn't meant to be popped out. Someone definitely spilled some coffee in here. See that? That's disgusting. So now I'm going to pull this out. This side just came right out. That I already did. That's not too hard. That is over here. Where are you? Over there. Here we have. There you have it. So that just puts over here on an angle. Comes right out. No big deal. Now look. Left-hand drive. Now this one. Pull this door off. With the same little tool that I've been using. Either this one, you can go right between the crack, and this pops off. This whole piece. Now, you don't have to fully take it out because it goes behind the radio. You have to pull the radio out. Let's see. I don't think so. I already started. Hey, look, you see? There you go. You can get it without removing the whole radio, which is good. Now, let's see how much more to get the center console out. Got this 10 mil out, and this whole contraption looks like it's all one piece. Oh, it's definitely coming apart. It's definitely a Toyota. And this guy came out. Okay, fine. Be careful. This guy is flimsy right here in the corner. Do not break that. Put him in a safe spot. Now let's pull and see how much more to pull this out. Okay, so lunch is over, and I figured, let me see how to fully disconnect this thing away from the dash. And so I firmly grabbed right here and pulled it out, and it snapped out, because the rest are just clips. That's a guide. And let's see if we can get a better look of the clips. There's a clip right there and a clip down there. All right, now at this point you can pop these little side things out, which I wouldn't even suggest because it has 9 different adjustment points. You got this thing right here, this pops out, and then this pops up, and this pops out. I'm not gonna even try to get this thing out. It does look like you start from here. Look how many are. See, you pull this out, separate it. You see, and this pops up. There you go. Now getting it back, that's gonna be fun. There you go. There you go. So now, as the recap, let's put it right back. And I didn't have to take this off the dash either. That didn't come off the dash, the under dash. Now let's put this back. Both hands probably be better. Alright, so this was held up back here a little bit, so I had to lift up a bit here to make sure this snapped all into place, as you see. So, it's Toyota, man. It goes right back. Now putting it back, let's go put it back together, and I'll show you how easy it is. This, you had to disconnect, make sure you plug this back in. So you got a bolt there and a bolt there. We have to make sure you put back. Remember, 10 mil goes in after the cup holder. Make sure you plug that in, yeah. Don't forget that, yeah. So the rest should be straightforward, and you should be able to handle the rest. Make sure this pops back in. It's all straightforward. It's Toyota. Goes right back. Right? Right. So put this guy back. Make sure you don't break this guy. It's like puzzle pieces. See? Put this dash back. Here it snaps. It's Toyota. Look at it. Beautiful. Let's put this back. So there you have all of it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.